Everyone, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing and giving you a quick little review of the EarFun free true wireless earbuds with Bluetooth 5.0. It has IPX7 sweat water resistance, which is a higher rating than most all other headphones on the market. And these come at a really good price. They're under $60 right now. You can find them on Amazon. So here are the two headphones. IPX7, so that's water sweat resistance. They're nice design, very simple. What we like about these buttons is that they're much easier to tap. So when you want to initiate fast forward or skipping a track, what have you, it's much easier to press these than the other headphones with similar buttons. And this is the charging case. Pretty unique charging case. You may wonder why I say that, because it looks like all the other charging cases, but looks can be deceiving because this can charge wirelessly. So we'll show you that as well. So this is the wirelessly charging Otterspot battery kit. So this is the on button here, and you set your wirelessly charging device here. And here's the bottom part. So these pin ports right here that correspond with this sit on a charger and charge via a connection. This also offers a USB Type-C power port that goes in and out, so you can charge this with USB Type-C or charge your device with USB Type-C. But what I wanted to show you with the EarFun charging case, see the lights are not on now, and then we sit it down and turn this on, and it will start charging the case as soon as it's lined up. See, the lights are now on and it's charging the case. So wirelessly charging this takes about 2.5 hours, and if you use the what we like USB Type-C port on the back, takes about 2 hours, and then the headphones themselves take about 1.5 hours to charge, and you get about 5.5 hours of listening time with that, so or about 6. So this gives you 4 recharges, so that gives you 30 hours of listening time. That's a lot. And then inside this box here, you get a charging cable, which is USB Type-C, so this is very important to have, and then different ear gels to fit on your earbud, so whatever size that you would like there. So this was the quick little review and unboxing of the EarFun free true wireless earbuds. We've used them for a little while. We do like how long they last, and they last about as long as they're rated for, about 6 hours. And remember, this is one of our first that we've seen, wireless charging cables, and this is the OtterBox wirelessly charging Otterspot. So that's pretty cool there. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Thanks.